Just when I thought fall 2024 couldn't get better, it did right in front of my eyes. Hi guys, what's up, it's Bella. Welcome back to my channel. I am beyond pumped for today's video. It is officially fall, and that is actually the best season if you want to fight me on that. Feel free, but fall is the best. Fall and spring are like my top two. I love them. It's a new season, so you know what that means. It means a new FABFITFUN box, and I am so excited to unbox the fall 2024 box in today's video. There are so many goodies in here that are perfect for embodying fall and feeling cozy and nice and warm, so I'm so excited to share it all with you. There's two ways you guys can sign up for FABFITFUN. You can do the seasonal, but you can also do the annual. For the seasonal, you're billed every 3 months, and the annual you pay up front. The perk about the annual is that you definitely do get a little bit of a discount when you sign up for the full year, so that's definitely something to think about. I do have two different codes for you guys. So the first one is going to be 20% off when you sign up as a seasonal member. That code is going to be ISABELLAFFF, but you can also use the link down below in the description box to get that code. And the other code I have for you guys is going to be a code that gets you $200 plus as a little gift when you sign up as an annual member. And that code is going to be ISABELLAFFGIFT, which you can also use the link down below to get that code. Okay, no more babbling. I'm gonna show you guys every single thing that I got. Let's get into it. First thing I got in my box are the Washland laundry detergent strips. These are the fresh linen ones, and this has 32 loads. These are plastic free and zero waste, and actually more recently, probably the past 2 months, I've totally switched from just like a conventional normal laundry detergent to making my own and doing something that's better for the environment but also better for my skin. So I'm really excited to try these because sometimes making your own is a little bit of a hassle. So if these are going to be zero waste and plastic free but also better for my skin, then I'm just gonna keep buying. I almost said like buying and purchasing together. I'm gonna keep buying these because, like I said, sometimes you're out and you're like, oh my gosh, I don't want to make one full jar of laundry detergent right now. So these like might be a better bet. Here is what they look like. Oh my gosh. They smell so good. The ingredients are coconut oil alcohol, coconut oil extract, vegetable oil, water, and just an essential oil blend. So these are definitely really good for your skin if you have sensitive skin like me and you break out from everything. I'm really excited to try these out. I love the smell of these so much, and I just like love the vibe. So I'm gonna try these today, and I'll put my little, review in the description box. But yeah, you just throw in 1 strip into your laundry load. If it's a small load, you use half a strip, and a large load, you're gonna use 2 strips. There's quite literally nothing better than the smell of fresh, clean laundry, and this is like the perfect smell. If I can think about one way to get me into the fall spirit, it's lighting candles and having that really good fall rich smell throughout my house. So for that, we have this beautiful candle by DEHV Candle Company. Maybe it's called Dev. I don't want to say it the wrong way, but this smells amazing. This is the Spiced Woods candle, so it has vanilla saffron, orris, guaiac wood. I don't know, I can't say it, but whatever it is, it smells divine. And then you have cardamom cedar wood. They describe this as like a really nice log cabin with aged woods with a hint of warm spices, and it is just that. I cannot wait to get this burning in my house. It smells absolutely amazing, and it's just so rich. It's just the perfect fall smell. Their candles are also formulated without all those crazy chemicals, which I love. Again, I'm really sensitive. I don't like to do things that disrupt my hormones. So for me to have like a really good laundry strip and also a good candle, it's just like the perfect combination. Honestly, I can't wait. So let's get this smelling throughout the rest of the video because I'm too excited to smell it. We're gonna set it right there. So cute. Y'all, this is probably like one of the things I'm most excited about. It's a recovery wrap. I am such an athletic girl. I'm always on the go. I always need something to get my body into that state of recovery. So I can't wait to use this. The brand is Woven, and it's the Harmony Neck and Shoulder Wrap. And there's a few ways you can use this. You can heat it up in the microwave in increments of 30, but you can also freeze it. And it's a nice neck wrap, and it's weighted too, so obviously it feels really nice on your neck. It's made out of recycled polyester, and it just provides you with a nice, relaxing, calming, and restorative just way to relax your body and again get into that like restorative state with your body. I love that you can do both heat therapy and also have cold therapy with this neck wrap. It definitely goes into the theme of being cozy and taking care of yourself during the fall time. So for me, like after a long day and being super busy and working out in the field, and then also coming back and just being able to light my candle and use it on my neck, I feel like that's just like the perfect fall routine. Moving on to a room deodorant, which we all know we all need. Not only is it good to have a candle, but it's also good to accompany it with a room deodorant. So this one is from the brand Homecourt. The scent that I got is called CC, and it's a really nice, warm, fun fall scent. But what I found really cool about this room deodorant, it's not just for smelling, it's got really fun ingredients in it to help with the environment. So it has charcoal to purify the air, which we know we all need, and then it has yeast ferment, which helps fight against bacteria. And it doesn't just fight against it, it literally breaks down odor causing bacteria. Like, that's actually kind of crazy to think about. So this is doing more good for you than just like having another smell in your house. It's also doing things behind the scenes, which I love a product that is also able to do multiple things than just that one thing that you think about. When you get this, you're probably gonna be like, oh, it just does this. But when you really read into it and the brand and what they're all about, it does so much more than that. And that's what I love about FABFITFUN. Like, I'm able to try so many fun things I would have never found. So the smells in here, we have cardamom, date, cinnamon, Indonesian patchouli oil, we have carrots and leaves. It is literally fall. Oh my gosh. Now I want this in a candle too, because that just smells so good. I'm definitely gonna be repurchasing this because I really like it. One thing about me is I'm gonna wear slippers in the house wherever I go. I literally came in here with some slippers on, and I'm gonna leave with a different pair of slippers on. These are the Muck Lux slippers. I hope I'm saying their name right, I'm not really sure, but they're the Curtsy Slide Slipper. You guys, I'm so obsessed with these. I love the color, I love the platform, and I love how they feel. They're so comfortable, and this size fits me very well. I did end up getting the medium, which is between a 7 and an 8, and I definitely have some room down there, so they're perfect. I also love that they use faux fur for these slides. That's an amazing thing. Love the color, love the texture and the fabric. It's truly fall. Like, wearing these around your house, are you kidding me? But also, these can definitely be worn to go get groceries or something, like a quick little errand, because, are you kidding me? They're adorable and they're comfortable and they have a platform. I'm in love. I freaking love those. Blanket time. I don't think anyone knows how much I am obsessed with some throw blankets, and it's not getting better from here because I constantly love getting throw blankets. Like, they're the best, but this one is extremely soft and I love it, so let's talk about it. This throw blanket is from Sunday Citizen, and I love this color. It's the perfect fall color. Again, like, if I can wear this with my slides, are you kidding me? I'm gonna be so cozy, and I'm gonna have my candle on, and I'm gonna have my room deodorant going. It's just gonna be so perfect. When I go to sleep at night, I actually like have to have the covers like touching my face, and I don't like it just being like the duvet, so I always have a throw blanket on top of me, and I actually needed a new one because the one that I had, it's like 3 years old and it's getting a little gross, so I'm gonna give that to my dogs. But so this is just like perfect timing now that I have a different one. I will say what I love about this one is it's not like insanely soft where it's gonna like slip off your body. I also like to have throw blankets on the couch as well. I like to have them at the end of my like little chase ottoman just to add like a little statement and some more cozy vibes to the couch. But then obviously I want to use it and I want to have it on me while I'm watching a show. So for something that like doesn't easily slip off and it has some grit to it, I love that. It's still extremely soft, but I like love the material and how it kind of feels already like a little worn in. And these blankets from Sunday Citizen are expensive, so the fact that I got this in my FABFITFUN box is actually kind of crazy. Like, they give you the best deals in FABFITFUN. I'm just so excited to use this throw. Every single time I open a FABFITFUN box, I literally am like waiting for the next season to come around because I just get so excited. Like, I really love trying new brands, and I love how FABFITFUN just chooses the best brands to work with. It's amazing. Like, they're just so good. You guys have to let me know what you guys get in your FABFITFUN box for this fall, and I am just so excited to hear from you guys. Don't forget to use both of my codes. So I have the 20% off seasonal, which is just gonna be ISABELLAFFF. And then my other code is gonna get you a $200 plus surprise gift. It's the code ISABELLAFFGIFT. And you can only get that gift if you sign up to become an annual member. I'm gonna have both of the links down below for you guys and also the codes. And I'm gonna go inside now and put all my stuff up. This candle is starting to smell so good and aromatic. I'm like smelling it right now and it's so good. I'm gonna put my throw blanket on my couch. I'm gonna put my shoes on. I'm gonna put this in the freezer because I definitely wanted to get a little cold so I can use it tonight. But I'm just thrilled with my box. I always am. And thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much. Today I have an affirmation and I want you to say it with me. It's, I attract people who help me meet my goals. Because if you don't attract people who don't help you meet your goals, why are you, like conversating with them? You need to have people in your life that constantly uplift you and constantly support you. I love you guys so much. I'm gonna go put away my amazing FABFITFUN items and I will see you guys in my very next video. Happy fall. Mwah. Bye guys.